Hi, this is Canon with Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and today I'm going to show you how to print a meeting photo to get yourself in the meeting rotation. To start, we're going to turn on the laminator. So you're going to turn on this green button and let it heat up for a couple minutes while we get our photo set up, and then when we're ready to run, then we can flip this button to turn it on. What you're going to do is you're going to take a photo with your phone and you're going to get it onto a computer. You can either email it to yourself or you can upload it to a Google Drive. So this one I've got in our downloads here. I'm just going to open this image and then I'm going to do Control P on my keyboard to print it. I want to select the Canon Selphy printer. If this one is not showing up on your computer, you want to check your Wi-Fi to be on the Wi-Fi that is all caps. Then you should be able to see it pop up. What we're going to do is we're going to change our orientation to portrait. And we want to make sure that we're set to the Japanese postcard since that is the paper size that's in there. Then we're going to hit print and this will come out on the printer. So it'll pull the paper through and then it's going to print the ink one color at a time. So now that it's done printing, you're going to take these top pieces here and just top and bottom fold them and you'll peel them off. And then you've got your photo. Now we're going to laminate it. So I've got my laminate pouch and just put that photo inside of it. And then we've got our carrier paper here. You always want to make sure when you're laminating that you're putting it inside of this folder. That way the laminate is not melting into the unit. Now that this has been heated up, we can turn this on for it to run. We're going to take this and we're going to feed it in with the seam first, not the opening. We're just going to slide that in here on top of that silver piece below the black. And let it run through at the pace that the laminator wants to pull it on. You don't want to be pulling it out from this end. You want to let it just fall all the way through. So then we've got this here. And then our photo's laminated. When you're done laminating, you want to make sure that you turn this back off. Make sure both switches are flipped down. Then you're going to take your photo over to the meeting rotation and you're going to put yourself in this pouch however many days back it will be for your first meeting. So this is me, my meeting is tomorrow, then the next day, and so if the meeting was, 5 days out, we'll put this 5 days back in the pouch.